This tutorial marks the beginning of the sales order module in Syspro. This module includes features like adding shipment instructions, adding order lines on a sales order, and many more features which we'll cover in the upcoming videos. This tutorial will include the following: adding a selling price unit of measure, adding a shipping instruction, adding an order type, adding a reason code, and lastly, adding a standard comment. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at configurations in the sales order module. So let's get started. You would add a selling price unit of measure in the case where, let's say, you are selling goods in dozens and maybe there are certain customers who would like to only purchase one item. So what you would do is that you would go to your sales orders and you go to setup and you select selling price unit of measure. I'm just going to make this bigger. And on order unit of measure, you would then enter the EA, which would stand for each, and tap off to enter this code DOZ, and we're going to tap off, which would stand for dozen. So here you would select that you would divide, and the rate we would then say 12, and we then save and close the program, and that is how you add a selling price unit of measure. So we're going to go to sales orders and we're going to scroll to setup and we're going to look for shipping instructions. Okay, I'm just going to make this bigger. So here we're going to enter an instruction code. So in this case, it's going to be PU and we're going to tap off. And our instruction will be customer to pick up goods. Okay, and we're going to save, close the program, and that is how you add a shipping instruction. So we're going to start by going to sales orders, and we're going to go to setup, and we're going to scroll down for order types. And I'm just going to make this bigger, and here we're going to enter the order type. So for example, it's going to be E, and we're going to tap off to enter the description, and we're going to say order, okay, received, okay, by email. And we're going to then save, close the program, and that is how you add an order type. I hope you find this video informative. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's continue with the rest of the tutorial. So we're going to start by going to sales orders, and we're going to go to setup, and we're going to scroll down for reason codes. I'm just going to make the screen bigger, and here we're going to select or create a reason code. So we're going to say WS, and we're going to tap off and add the description, which is wrong stock code entered. And we're going to then save, close the program, and that is how you add a reason code. So we're going to start by going to sales orders, and we're going to go to setup, and we're going to scroll for standard comments. Okay, again, I'm just going to make this bigger. So here we're going to enter the comment code, and we're going to make this one CHK, and we're going to tap off. And now we're going to enter the comment, which will be please check the goods carefully. Okay, and we're going to then save, close the program, And that is how you add a standard comment. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. And thank you for watching this video.